cold constant. Okay, it's constantly cold. That symbol is a constant. That means constantly cold. Down here, it's like hot. At the equator, this is the equator right here. Okay, and this is northern hemisphere. And so it's constantly cold right here, and it's constantly hot right here. But right here you have seasons. You see what I'm saying? This right here would be spring. Okay, this would be summer. This would be fall. This would be winter, and this would be spring again. You see what I'm saying? Because this is hot, this is cold and this is hot, and the temperature fluctuates. It's temperate. This is the temperate zone where you actually have seasons. Okay, and in this zone right here, it's springtime. And look. You see? That's what it is. And that's the dollar bill. It is. It's like perfect conditions all the time. But only the rich have that, as far as a lack of when it comes to financial security. But there's some miserable people. Okay, and that leads me up to this. And you stay tuned. Wait, I'm gonna keep going because I think I can do a longer than 10-minute video on YouTube. Okay, so you see, you have the dollar sign. I showed you what it was. So you have this right here. Okay, and you have this right here, and this is cold, and this is hot. Okay, constantly. It's constantly like that. It is okay. This right here, that means change. There's no change. Right here, the triangle means change. Okay, in math, and in like formula math, symbol, language in math, that means change. Okay, it's a shorthand. Okay, so there's no change right here. It's constant. Hot, cold. And right here, you have temperate. It does change. Okay, this is, okay, right here, it does change. Okay, it does change right there. So this temperate zone, it changes. It's seasons, it's cycles, like the business cycle. But right here, okay, this is spring. Okay, this is fall, and this is spring again. You see what I'm saying? It's seasons, and if you do it vertical, look, it's dough. It's the dough. It's the people who make. It's the Swiss cheese toaster strudel people. They make the dough. They're like the Keebler elves. They make the dough, but it's like it's yeast bread. It has poison in it because it'll kill you if you try to get full on that crap. I'm drinking Dr. Peppers. I am, because I'm like Forrest Gump. Okay. So this is what I want to show you about the EU. Okay, you see this? Okay. This is the dawning of a new day. I got videos I got to upload. I uploaded it already, I think, to YouTube. But you can like see it, like right here. It's the triangles, but it's like this is like a sunrise in a way. If you look at it, it looks like the horizon and the sun is dawning. Okay, but if you look at it from a two-dimensional, sideways, linear perspective, it would look like, the right side of the circle would be the sun rising, and it would go in its trajectory to the west. So look at this. It's a very similar looking symbol, and this is the symbol for the money in the Eurozone. It's called the euro. Now, if you make this flip 9 degrees, guess what? You have, okay, that's not a good one. Okay, you have this. You do. You have that. And it's the same thing as this. Okay, it's the same thing. You see? It's the same thing. Okay. Now let's say let's draw it bigger right here. Okay. Let's call this the east, and we'll call this the west. Okay. And this, okay, this is horizons right here. Okay, and the sun climbs. Okay, it climbs and it goes this way. Okay. And then it goes down. So this would be the trajectory of the path of the sun as the earth rotates during the day. Or even it might be the moon. But okay, right here at this little sliver right here, guess what? That's the apex. It's the zenith. It's the capstone. Okay? It's the crowning achievement. It's high. It's high noon. It's like the culmination. That's what it is. It's the culmination. Okay. So okay. Now on the back of the dollar bill, I have to plug my phone in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and